have a courage to take this cup away. Bend them to left, bend them to right. Sometimes say, oh, I don't want to do the damper job because I don't like the noise. Hello. Today I'm working here in an old Bosendorfer grand piano, and I noticed that when I was tuning the piano, we have some problem with the dampers. When I put the pedal down, I see that here in the discount that the damper line is coming, the dampers are coming up here in discount, but they are not moving here. I'm moving it here, but they don't follow the line here, the bass dampers. So I have to take the mechanism out, go inside and find out what is not in the right position here under for the damper line. So if you can see it here, I'm moving the pedal, the damper are here, and here down under is no movement. So I have to fix that so they all come in a line, almost in a line up at the same time. So I took the mechanism out and looking at the pedals, and the pedals when it's coming up is too much gap here in between from the felt to this bolt here to move the dampers. I have to higher the pedal up to here, and I also see that they are very late here coming. When I put the pedal that I have to lower this last, was it 1, 2, 3, 4? 10 dampers. I have to lower the bolt here so they will be in line with the top in the discount. Okay, I have to make this dampers here, the 10 lowest damper in the bass. I have a bolt under the dampers. I can put it down, and so they come in a line up with other dampers when we are playing. That's the next step, to tighten the rail here. I have to go to every screw here and tighten it and see how it is. It's a little noisy here, you can hear the noise. I don't like the noise, should be without noise. And then I lower this 10 bolts here. I have a gap here, a hole to lower it so they will be all in line coming up at the same time. And I see it here, it is higher, and here they are lower, and they are not even moving here. The last 5 and the next 5 I have to do a little with them. We have a gap here. Maybe you can show you with the light. If you can see it here, I have to higher the pedal here, so it's not a gap here in between. So it's staying here, and take this gap away. Higher it, and when I touch it, it starts without noise. It's good to have a light here, so I can see better what I'm doing. There I go. The pedals. Here and here. Do it this way. Then I have to go a little up. Little gap. Tighten it again here. Don't check upstairs. What I'm gonna do is to tighten the bolts here. Like this. It's tight. And now I'm going to put the mechanism inside and see how it's gonna work. I was making the pedal a little higher, but I'm just checking now. Pressing the pedal down, and I find the damper are sitting too high. I have to lower it a little. They are not damping now. I have to lower the pedal a little so it's not singing with. They're not damping well here. From here and here they are not damping, so I have to lower the pedal a little bit. And I go under the grand piano again, lower the pedal a little, so it is sitting where they should be. So my assistant is going to check the damper and how they are sitting. Do it again. Again. Do it little again. Again. Okay. It should be okay now. Here, tighten it. Okay, now it should be okay. Okay, now I'm just double checking. So as I told you, I have a problem with the last 10 here. I have to put the bolt little down, and I'm gonna do it now. So they're working better and will be aligned with other dampers. Here. Just a little. coming slowly. I was just picking up another tool so I can go better into the dampers. Easier for me to put it in the right position. This here, the last one. Okay. But later, I have to go through all of the dampers. I'm just fixing the lowest damper now. And later, this year, I have to go over all the dampers and make them shiny, and they're coming up in a line almost at the same time. Just checking the gap. Sometimes the thing here is not in right position, sometimes in pianos, and when you are playing and they get stuck and they are not coming up. Always check when you put it together. Check if everything is right here, in right position. So now the pedals and the dampers are working together now, but I have a job next time when I go to this grand piano. I have to fix more the dampers and make them 100% working well. So when I'm doing the dampers 100% working well, so it can take up to the whole day just to work just in the dampers. It's very complicated sometimes to let them work 100%. You have to find the right position for them, and you have to higher it, lower it, and bend them to left, bend them to right, up and down. And it can be, if we are not used to do this damper work, it can take you the whole day, and maybe you're not satisfied after 10 hours working the dampers. So yeah, you have to have a courage to start working on them and do everything fine. A lot of piano technicians or piano tuners I know, sometimes say, oh, I don't want to do the damper job because you need a lot of courage, experience, and if you don't start doing that, you never get the experience to continue and learn how to fix the dampers. Just be patient, start slowly and practice, and after a few years you can be better and better in this. Thank you for watching. See you later. Bye-bye.